Hi and welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Guild 500 watt 85mm mini saw. Okay, let's take a look at this Guild 500 watt 85mm mini saw. The 85mm is reference to the diameter of the actual blades that the saw takes. I do have to state straight away really is I haven't got the smallest hands, but it is very robust and sturdy, and I can imagine if you've got slightly smaller hands this could be a little uncomfortable. It has got a rubberized grip on it, you're not sort of going to drop it, but it is, for want of a better way of putting it, quite an handful. It has a 25mm depth gauge here, but it does go beyond that. I reckon you're going to get about 27 to 28mm depth, which is easily adjusted. Just a slider here, set your depth, lock it off. You do have to depress this button as well as the trigger to operate the saw. This one on the top is to release the base. Without that pressed, the base is locked. It does come with an edge guide which slots into there, and you've got adjustment gauge on the front there, and then you lock it in with this screw which is got a spring on it just to keep the tension on it. The Allen key that is supplied to change the blade also fits that screw. The actual construction of the saw, it feels really solid. Metal plate, plastic body, feels very robust. You have a switch on the back here which you have to hold in, and then use the Allen key. You just turn it until it locks like that, holding the button in, and then you undo the blade and change it that way, and it obviously comes out the bottom. As I've just said, it really is a robust piece of kit. Your dust extraction fits on there, and obviously then you use whatever adapters you need to fit your shop vac to that. Okay, let me get set up with some various pieces of wood and we'll see how we get on. Okay, I'll start with a piece of hard flooring. Piece of MDF. And now a piece of decking. I must have to point out that 24 tooth rip blade, as I sort of call them, I mean the finish is excellent. No tear out whatsoever. Okay, a quick summary of the Guild 500 watt mini saw. Apart from, as I mentioned earlier, someone with smaller hands may struggle with this slightly. In regards to depth of cut, I had to go beyond the 25mm gauge they've got there for it to do a clean cut through the decking board, but on a whole, nice piece of kit. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one.